Teacher Cha, thank you for teaching me how to cook and do other stuff. Thank you for teaching me life lessons and how to be a proper girl. Thank you for being the best teacher I had ever had.
Hi, Churcha. Thank you for being one of our best advisors. We all love you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Churcha. We love you.
Thank you, Churcha, for everything. Love you.
Hi, Teacher Cha. Thank you so much for a great school year. You've been such a great teacher and we hope to see you again. Bye-bye.
Cha, happy birthday. Maraming salamat for everything. We're gonna miss you and thank you sa lahat ng help na nagawa mo for us. And we pray na kung saan ka man ilid ni Lord, doon ka mag-ilid. Bye-bye.
Hi, Churcha. Gaya ng sabi ni JM, Happy Mother's Day naman sa atin. Mahal na mahal kita, Sir. Sana wag mo kami kalimutan at the same time, bumisita ka din kahit pa paano dito sa school. Also, please keep updating your Facebook kasi isa sa mga viewers mo and fun. Love you. Bye-bye.
Be, friends ba kayo ni Churcha sa Facebook?
Mag-add friend pa lang ako mamaya.
Churcha, happy!
Hi, Churcha. So, ayan, bilang isang co-teacher, lalo na sa mga, sa amin na mga medyo bago-bago pa, ang laki ng impact mo. Ikaw yung isa sa mga taong tumulong para hindi kami masyado mong overwhelmed. Yung tipong kahit ang dami iniisip, napapakalma mo kami. Lalo na through work and guidance mo. Sobrang na-enjoy din namin yung mga kwento mo tungkol sa teaching and sa mga students mo. Nakakatawa, nakaka-relate, and minsan nakaka-realize kami ng mga bagay-bagay tungkol sa pagiging teacher. So, you made the workplace feel lighter and more comfortable na parang hindi nakakatakot magkamali kasi alam namin may gagabay sa amin. So, iyon. Mamimiss namin yung pagiging calm, understanding, and supportive teacher mo sa aming Smart Faculty. Yun lang, and nawa ay God will guide you through your life and work.
Hi, Chair Adi. I just want to say thank you so much for being such a kind and understanding teacher towards us. I'm really grateful how you would always look out for us and put extra effort in our PE classes. And I also want to say that I'm really grateful that you were able to teach here in Makayo Hope Christian School and that I was one of your students. And I truly wish you the best in your upcoming endeavors because you deserve it. Bye!
Hi, Triadi. I just want to say thank you so much for the couple of years that we've had together. I've learned so much from PE to dance. I've learned pickleball, I've learned basketball, and I've learned so much skills in that. And I've gained such an amazing friend, which is you. May God bless you in your upcoming journey, and don't forget that you'll always have a place in our hearts as a lion. Love you!
Hi, Mama Adi. I just want to say thank you for teaching me and for always being patient with me, even though I'm makulit. And thank you for always letting us stay in coach's office, even if we don't do anything in PE. And yeah, thank you for being one of the nicest teachers I've ever known, Makati Hope. You always make me laugh, Chair, and I'm so grateful for that. Good luck in the future, Chair. I'll never forget you, Mama Adi. Bye!
Hi, Love Admi. It's Adriel, and I genuinely don't know how to start this video, but I want you to know how grateful I am to have you as my dance coach in Lady Lions and to be a part of your journey as a student and dancer in MHCS. As this is your last year in MHCS, I hope God can bless you in more ways than you can think of. I'm gonna miss you so much, Miss Adi. I love you!
Hello, Teacher Adi and Teacher Cha. Balita ko, alis tayo. Just like how I did it. Leave no regrets. Pero don't forget people na nag-stay with you throughout your journey of teaching and the company, the fellowship that you have had in Makati Hope. I hope that you have a great journey ahead and enjoy.
Hi, Sir Adi. Sabi nila, life begins at 40. And I just want to thank you for everything that you have done for me, for the SC, and for the school. Nakakalungkot talaga na aalis ka. It's so sad that you're leaving, pero I know kung saan ka man dalhin, lagi kang magpa-flourish. Kasi ikaw na yan eh. Ikaw na yan. Kaya, we will keep on praying for you and we will keep on praying na dumating na yung overtime for you. Bye-bye!
Hi, Chadi. So, bilang isang P-teacher, hindi lang student yung napapasigla. Kami rin na smart faculty. Nakadaan naman ka-stressful yung araw mo na parang ang dali-dali mong gawin magaan yung paligid ng smart. Ikaw talaga yung tipong nakahawa yung energy. Super thankful din kami sa'yo kasi lagi kang din tumulong sa smart faculty. Hindi ka nagdadalawang isip magbigay ng support, mapa-work man o simple moral support lang, ramdam na ramdam namin, lalo na sa mga baguhan. So, ayun, isa ka sa mga taong nagpapasaya sa faculty room. Yung tipong kahit pagod na, mapapangiti ka pa rin kasi, ayun, nandiyan si Chadi. Mamimiss namin yung pagiging makulit, masayahin, at sobrang approachable mo. Nawa, God will guide you through your next journey. We will miss you a lot and thank you for all, Chadi.
Hi, Teacher Cha and Teacher Adi. Sa inyong dalawa, thank you for the memories na na-create natin together. Yung paglaro ng volleyball na maraming tawanan kaysa sa laro, yung kwentuhan natin na may mga katatakutan, at yung pagkain natin sa Peresan na nakakabusog. No? Sana maging magandang opportunity nyo sa labas ng school. Sana gamitin kayo ni Lord na instrument para mag-share ng blessing sa ibang tao. And mahal namin kayo. Lagi kayo mag-iingat at palakasin nyo lagi yung katawan nyo. Laki ang naging contribution nyo parehas sa mga tao. Walang katumbas ang pagmamahal na ibinigay nyo sa mga bata at sa mga katrabaho. So naging magaan ang trabaho kapag nandyan kayo. So thank you. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi, Cha and Sir Adi. This is goodbye for now. Pero, I don't know, I feel like we'll meet someday. To Sir Adi, thank you so much for being such a bright part of my life and my journey in Makati Hope. And grabe, wala. Since day one, vibes lang. And despite all, I can see how pure of a person you are. And I really appreciate that about you. I can see how genuine you care for people, especially for the smart department. And to Cha, thank you for being my mentor. Thank you for believing in me since day one. And thank you for just being there, always guiding me and teaching me the ways. I love you both so much. Thank you for making my first year in Makati Hope so much more memorable. And you guys made such a big impact in my life. And I could not have done so many great things without the help of you guys. So, I love you both.
你好，老师阿迪和老师cha，祝你一切顺利。Ebe. Hi, Adi. Hi, Chercha. Hi, Ate. Hi, Bunsa. Hey. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin ay maraming salamat sa almost 3 years worth of memories. Kasi ang gusto ko lang naman sabihin is mamimiss ko talaga kayo ng sobra. Pero legit, mamimiss ko kayo ng sobra-sobra. And I really wish na kung saan man kayo mapunta after your journey here in MHES is I hope that you will still grow happy and enjoy kayo sa life. Thank you for making my memories here in MHES worthwhile. And I hope na naging malaking party ako ng life nyo. Na sana natupad ko yung wish ni Chercha na maging happiness nyo. Ayan. Anyways, I wish you all the best in life and God bless sa iyong future endeavors in life. Wish you all the best and I hope to see you outside MHES and can't wait to see how your journey will unfold. And
life became a bit brighter, a bit bearable, a bit lighter, and of course, ang ating full of laughter. Kung saan man tayo lahat dalhin ng tadhana, mahal ko kayo, mahal ko yung mga tao sa Smart, at mahal ko kayo, especially yung dalawa na aalis na kayo. Yung buhay ko mananatiling bukas para sa inyo. I love you both. God bless. See you and hang out soon.
Hi Ate, hi Teacher Cha. It's a privilege na makasama namin kayo sa work and mamimiss namin kayo. Aalis na ba talaga kayo? Sure na ba talaga yan? Ayan. So, we wish you all the best and sana maging masaya kayo sa next chapter ng buhay mo. Bye!
Hi guys! Madilim, sadya yan, para di hala tayo mag-akong mata. You, Ate Cha, thank you for being an ate to us. Yung may wisdom na, may konting sermon minsan, pero laging may kasamang care at dasal. As an overthinker person, isa ka sa mga taong nagpapaalala sa akin lagi na kulmalmal lang at magtiwala kay Lord lalo na pag stressful na. I-miss ko yung presence mo, Ate Cha, pero alam ko, God has bigger plans for you. And sobrang deserve mo yun. Hindi ito goodbye ha. Just see you later. Chat nyo lang kami. Or maybe one more year. Char. Love you, Ate Cha. And to you, Adi, ang hirap tanggapin na alis ka na, honestly. Until now, may part sa akin na hindi pa handa. Pero, I guess never naman talaga tayong magiging handa. Hindi ka lang talaga basta workmate eh. Sobrang grateful ako kasi naging partner kita sa PE, sa lahat ng pagod, tawa, yung mga sabay nating pag-survive, nandyan ka lagi. Ikaw yung naging kakampi ko at of course, sandalan. Lalo na pag grabe yung doubt ko sa sarili ko. Hindi magiging ganito ka-bearable yung work kung wala ka. Kasi sa lahat ng roles ko sa work, ang pinaka-favorite ko yung maging partner mo. After a year in MHCS, dumating ka, work made more sense because I had you beside me. Literally, inside the faculty and sa gym. Namimiss ko yung kulitan natin ni Lecture Angel ng buong faculty, yung asaran, yung kunwaring mga away para i-check lang kung anong reaction ni Ma'am Jo or kung magre-react pa ba siya. Yung mga simple moments na tayo lang yung nakakaintindi. Super proud ako sa'yo, Adi, for bravely choosing what's best for you. Kahit na alam kong mahirap din for you. Pero sobra kitang mamimiss. Promise mo ha. Hindi ka mawawala. Let's keep in touch, please. Yung no shocks. I love you, Adi.
Hi Churcha, hi Adi. So, I think this is it. I'd say na this year has been one of my memorable years that I got to spend with you both. And I'm actually blessed na kayo yung nandiyan sa akin. And I was really happy kasi you were guys there during my darkest moment. And sobra ako nagpapasalamat kasi binigay kayo ng Lord sa akin. And the days na sobrang lungkot, lugmok ko, you were there. Hindi nyo ko ginudge. You were there to listen. Sobrang blessed talaga ako na kayo yung naging main person ko. And up until now. And it won't change forever. Masaya din ako kasi I was the last person to say goodbye nung nasa school kayo. And it's really hard for me na papasok ako sa school, sa faculty. Basically na wala na kayo. Ikaw, Churcha, sa tabi ko. Tapos ikaw, Adeline sa likod. Ayan. I pray na kung saan man kayo dali ng Lord, mag-continue kayo mag-grow and keep in touch. I will never forget and I will cherish every little things that we did all together. So yan, mamimiss ko kayo. I'll tell everything to you personally na lang siguro. Mahal ko kayong dalawa and see you soon.
Hi Teacher Cha and Teacher Adi, welcome to my vlog. Di bagay. Nakakalungkot. Ito yung mga bagay na ayokong gawin. Pero kung ano man yung mga decision na ginawa ninyo, alam ko naman na yun ay para sa ikabubuti ng lahat. For Teacher Cha, totoo na pala to, mamimiss ka namin. You know, you are more than just a teacher. Sa mga bata, naging parents ka talaga, naging friend, naging best friend ka nila. Kaya naman, love na love ka nila, Cha. And sana, sa susunod na pupuntahan mo, mas maibigay mo pa yung love and guidance and support na para sa mga kids Ganun ka rin naman sa amin, sa department natin. Thank you for all the time, for the effort, and for the heart chat that you have given. And not just in teaching, of course, but in inspiring and guiding everyone around you. We know na this is a new chapter for you, and you truly deserve all the things, all the happiness and success na naghihintay sa'yo. We love you, and we wish you all the best, Cha. See you around. O Adi, ikaw din, resign ka. Sa wakas, mababawasan na maingay sa faculty. Joke lang. Seriously, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for everything. You are someone who brings happiness, laughter, araw-araw, good vibes, yan, positive energy. Kahit saan, you made a lot of moments more meaningful, more fun. Thank you for sharing your talents. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. Lahat ng heart, no? Binigay mo. Salamat. Malungkot, pero wala naman akong magagawa. Kainis. I am excited for you, Adi. For your love life. Sa love life niyo ni Cha. Both of you, you deserve all the good things coming your way. I love you. I love you, Cha and Adi. Take care always. See you around. God bless.
This is the season we are all excited because we're looking forward for the end of the school year. But this year, may twist. The sad thing is, dalawa yung aalis sa department natin who we really treasure. We know their reason, respected. For Cha, thank you for showing respect to me, how you honor every advices that you seek from me, and also with open heart, every time I call your attention, nakikinig ka. And I really feel yung concern and yung care mo kahit sa maliliit na bagay na pinakita mo sa akin and to the rest of the department. I know your decision is for your family and of course your career move. I know God has a greater plan for you, and just hold on to His promise and continue to serve God and be an encouragement to the people that you're going to meet in your new job. And for Adi, I'm gonna miss your lambing, your sweetness. In my 30 years in Makati Hope, ikaw lang yung nagpakita ng ganyan sa akin. Na sobrang sweet sa akin. Not only in words, but you really show it. Okay? And I appreciate it. And yun yung mamimiss ko sa'yo. Yung mga serious talks natin, I know, yung mga plans mo sa buhay, just continue to seek wisdom from our Lord. We respect your decision because you considered your grandparents. A double blessing yan when you prioritize your loved ones. I know God has a greater plan for you. Just continue to excel in whatever things that you will do. Continue to ask wisdom from the Lord, both of you. Just remember that you will always be in my prayers. God bless you both.
Hi, Teacher Adi and Teacher Cha. Thank you so much for making my school year more memorable. I'll miss all of you so much. God bless and take care.
Teacher Cha, Teacher Adi, thank you po. Goodbye po.